Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make my brown butter and herb skillet potatoes and also marinating my shish kebabs that I put with it. So in a cast iron pan, start with about 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter in a very hot pan and get that melted. So here I'm just cutting my potatoes into thirds lengthwise, nice fat chunky slices. You can cut the ends off of your potatoes as well, like right where the skin is, to make your potato edges flat and without skin, or you can leave it with the skin. It really doesn't matter. Lay your potato slices right into the sizzling hot butter. You just want to do as many slices as will fit into your pan. And then let these sizzle on like a medium high for about 5 minutes while you do the next step. Now I eyeball this, so I do about a half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt and pepper, and then toss in about a teaspoon of chopped dried rosemary. So blend all of this together, and then we're going to go back to our potatoes and flip them over in the butter. And then sprinkle all of your seasoning mix right over the top of these potatoes. You want them coated really nicely, so make more if you're making more potatoes, however you really like it. This is really done to taste. Now you should have preheated the oven to 450, so we're just going to pop these into the hot oven. And we're going to bake these for about 15 minutes or until they're fork tender. Now you can leave these in for as long as you want, until you get the bottoms to where you want them to be nice and crispy. But once they're tender, they're done. I am pairing these potatoes up with some shish kebabs, and my marinade I'm going to put on the screen for you. It's about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 whole lemon. I did about a half a teaspoon of ground onion and a half a teaspoon of ground garlic, some salt and pepper, and then for herbs I did oregano, thyme, and parsley. You can really mix and match up your marinades however you like. You can add a little rosemary to it. You can omit whatever you don't want. You can add and subtract however you like. So I like Italian herbs blended with lemon for a lot of my marinades. It's really, really good. So we're going to go get these on the grill and serve them right up with our potatoes. Oh, and I did skirt steak. So I marinated the steak, and I had an extra small pork tenderloin from our pigs. So I chopped everything up, get it cut into the sizes you want for your shish kebabs, and then marinate everything. So pre-cut, marinate, and then I do put my sticks in water to help them not catch on fire or burn up too much while the shish kebabs are on the grill. And then I had peppers and onions and tomatoes all coming out of the garden, as you can see. Lots of tomatoes. Shish kebab fell on the table. And there we go. So let's get these all grilled up and see where we're at. Okay, everything is done and looks absolutely, well, it was absolutely delicious. Everyone really likes these potatoes. They come out really crispy. They taste like an oven baked French fry with some herbs and seasoning on it, but with that brown butter. It is so delicious, and they smell heavenly while they're baking. So I hope you give these recipes a try, and if you do, let me know down below. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. you.